We also have the option of having an element of an array type. In our example, we have an annotation element named items, and it is of the type string array. When we apply the annotation, we pass in the value surrounded by braces. This is to signify it's an array. Because it's an array, we can pass in multiple values. These can be accessed with their index number when retrieved. Another option is to pass it without array braces. Now, this is a shorthand form. The compiler will still insert the missing array braces for you. But you can only use this if your array just contains one single element. So let's say you want to pass an array that has just one single element. You can use this method. Now, if you want to pass an empty array, you can still add a value, but it will just be 2 empty curly braces. So you've passed an array, but just an empty one. If the array consists of one element, and you wish to use the shorthand of single element annotation, make sure that the annotation's element's name is value. So, like in our example, in the annotation, while we have the element being an array, I will also make the name of the element value. That will help us use the shorthand that we learnt in the single member annotation lesson